Imagine your dream home standing proudly on your land. At Schumacher Homes, we make this vision real before construction even begins with our cutting-edge Lot Vision tool. The process is easy to start and free to do at home. First, enter your lot address or parcel number, and then choose your favorite floor plan. You'll then be able to see exactly how your home will fit on your lot. This allows you to visualize in real time how different placements or orientations of your home can maximize your lot's potential. Need more sunlight in the kitchen? Prefer privacy in the backyard? You can move and adjust the floor plan to get an ideal location on your lot, all from the comfort of your couch. From there, our team creates a detailed site plan tailored to your land. This plan shows you exactly how your home will fit, complete with topographical details to identify slopes, elevations, and other terrain features. We'll help you see it all. But we don't stop at visualization. Lot Vision also helps estimate site preparation cost, ensuring no surprises during your build. From blueprint to reality, Schumacher Homes empowers you to make confident decisions by ensuring your land is being best used for both your custom home and budget. See your future home today. With Lot Vision, the dream starts now.